Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel, the Rideshare Hub. My name is Dylan. The guy with the crazy hair apparently. Got a little alfalfa going on here. I need a haircut. So we have a big update. Uber drivers, app delivery drivers are going to get paid minimum wage. There's now a new bill that just came out. We're gonna talk about it, okay? Firstly, I want to say, if any of you guys have been deactivated by Uber, Lyft, Amazon Flex, Instacart, DoorDash, Grubhub, Postmates, all the other gig apps, there's a company that's helping drivers get reactivated. We have a referral code with them, Rideshare Hub. Click the link below, and maybe they can help you out if you tried to get your account back and haven't had much success. Seattle becomes first US city to set minimum wage for app-based delivery drivers. It's called the, quote, Pay Up bill. Will set the minimum wage for delivery drivers at $17.27 per hour. Food delivery drivers for the likes of Uber Eats and Grubhub are paid per ride, plus tips. Delivery drivers face challenging situations from safety concerns to working long hours. Listen to this. Seattle's become the first US city to set a minimum wage for app-based delivery drivers. We live in an expensive city. Many delivering workers earn below the minimum wage after expenses and tips are accounted for, said Lisa Herbold, one of the council members behind the bill, in a statement. The passage of this legislation will help tens of thousands of delivery workers make ends meet while maintaining their flexibility. Delivery drivers face challenging situations, including demanding workloads, long hours, safety concerns, confrontation with customers, and a lack of access to toilets. If you had a lack of access to toilets, I usually go to Starbucks or like Ralph's, to be honest. Just go into Ralph's and use their restroom, or Walmart. I know. It's like you gotta get creative sometimes. I'm not gonna lie, well, I don't know. I don't want to expose myself here. But yeah, usually I go to like a Starbucks, and it's kind of awkward if you go into Starbucks and don't buy anything. It's like, bro, just try and go to the bathroom and drive an Uber for 4 hours. So usually I will like go to the bathroom, grab a cup of coffee. And when you have the Starbucks app, a lot of times the drinks are free and you get free refills on tea and coffee anyways. So it's like, kind of makes sense. But yeah, large segments of, a lot of these delivery drivers now, in Seattle at least, are getting paid minimum wage. So what do you think about this? Should this become nationwide? I know there was like a big bill, Prop 23? No. Was that Prop 23 in the past? I don't even remember. I forget. No, maybe that was the wrong one. It was the I forget what it was, but anyways, I know that was a big deal in the past if they should become employees or independent contractors. I guess Seattle is the first city ever to set a minimum wage for app delivery drivers. So let me know your thoughts on this one. Take care. Check out the links below to help get reactivated if you like. Otherwise, I'll talk to you soon. Bye now.